Sagan.
Hello and welcome to our very first edition of DMS News this school year. A while back we had a behavior assembly. We were there to celebrate the good behavior and each class got to share a chant that they made with the entire school. Here was the winning group.
Drum roll. And the winning class, with the spirit, is Miss Lincoln's class.
Congratulations, Mr. Incone's class. Next up, in last week's news, did you know last week there was a snake in the cafeteria during a lunch? Here's what it looked like.
Send it to my phone.
So what should you do if you see a snake or another dangerous animal here at the school? Pause the video now to discuss this with your CATS class. Next up, are you interested in joining MESA? Do you like to build things? Are you interested in robotics and computers? If you are, MESA's the club for you. We will meet one day after school a week to build amazing things. We'll also go on a lot of field trips. So if you're interested, see Miss Reynolds, Miss Stevens, or Miss Richmond in the cafeteria at lunch tomorrow, Tuesday. Again, see you on Tuesday to sign up for MESA. Did you know Miss Richmond's class does one STEM project a week? They were learning how to problem solve. In order to do this, they had to create a boat made out of aluminum foil that would hold pennies. Check out the winning team.
6, 87, 88, 89.
It just goes down.
90.
Watch this.
Oh, there's that one. Oh,
Congratulations, Daniel, Tabitha, Viviana, and Cole. Great job. Did you know September is Childhood Cancer Awareness Month? Here's a video all about it.
Summer has come and passed. The innocent can never last. Wake me up when September ends. Like my father's come to pass, 7 years has gone so fast. Wake me up when September ends. Here comes the rain again, falling from the stars, drenched in my pain again, becoming who we are. As my memory rests, but never forgets what I lost. Wake me up when September ends. Summer has come and passed. The innocent can never last. Wake me up when September ends. Like my father's come to pass, 20 years has gone so fast. Wake me up when September ends. Wake me up when September ends.
Have you ever met a child who had cancer? Here's a video about a little girl named Talia who's dealing with cancer every day.
10-year-old Talia Castellano is a bundle of energy.
Loves to dance. She loves art. She loves her friends.
But about 2.5 years ago, a persistent fever stopped her in her tracks. Her mother instinctively knew that it was more than just a bad case of the flu.
We took an x-ray, and there it was. My tumor was right here in my abdomen.
That tumor was neuroblastoma, a rare form of childhood cancer.
It was scary. I mean, all the doctors, they had to kind of hold me down. They had to do a blood test, and it was scary, really scary.
Doctors immediately admitted Talia to the hospital and began treatment.
So then we do about 5 rounds of chemotherapy. Then she had surgery. Then we did another round of chemotherapy. Then we went for a stem cell transplant. Then she had radiation.
I asked the doctor, am I going to lose my hair? And he looked at my mom looked at me, she nodded, and I started to cry. This one goes with the hat. That's why it's like the bangs are messed up.
With the help of wigs, scarves, and hats, Talia tried to make it fun.
What did she tattoo on your head?
It was a bunch of flowers and snakes and dragons.
She made bald beautiful, you know, and she's a gorgeous girl. So everyone said, Talia, you look gorgeous without any hair.
Eventually, her hair started growing back, and Talia entered remission.
When people would say, are you in remission? She said, no, I'm cancer-free, because we never wanted it to ever come back.
But neuroblastoma is a very aggressive form of cancer, and unfortunately, 14 months later, it came back.
She had a little lymph node near her heart.
This time, she needed a stronger chemotherapy and massive doses of blood and platelets.
There was a shortage, and I said to myself, a shortage? I mean, the hospital's full of blood and full of platelets. A shortage? I thought that you just go downstairs and get blood and get the platelets out of the blood bank. But I had no idea that is not what happens. It made me aware that it's not easy getting blood. It's not easy getting platelets that we need. We need people to donate for children, for adults, for people that need it.
Blood transfusion right now. Blood bath.
You taking a nap?
Yeah, and you see I'm swollen.
Yeah.
Blood transfusion again. That's why blood is so important.
Fortunately, Talia did get the platelets she needed and is once again in remission. Her hair is growing back.
Bella!
The wigs are stuffed in her dresser drawer, and the angels she started collecting in the hospital sit on a shelf in her bedroom.
Do you feel like you have angels watching over you?
We try to live each day to the fullest, and Talia's a Leo, and she's a fighter.
Talia still takes oral chemotherapy and sees a doctor once a month. Through it all, she maintains her positive attitude.
Now I'm 9, I'm doing fine. I left that tumor way behind. But I'm not 9 anymore, so what? Gotta make up a new rhyme.
I'm Nancy Gay for Florida's Blood Centers, where local heroes are saving lives.
All of September, for Childhood Cancer Awareness, we will be wearing yellow on Wednesdays. So I hope you will show your support and wear yellow every Wednesday for the month of September. Are you interested in doing this job? If you're interested in joining the news, please sign up in the cafeteria at lunch this week for the position that you would like to do. I will contact you if you made it. That's all for the news this week. Remember, make good choices and listen to the right voices. Have a great week.